Every cell in our body needs energy to survive. But where does this energy come from? Inside our cell, there is a teeny factory called mitochondria. Today, we will understand mitochondria in the simplest way ever. Welcome to NeoGen. Now, what is mitochondria? Mitochondria is called powerhouse of cell. This is our cell. CELL, and this yellow line is showing the mitochondria. Mitochondria has double membrane. The first one you are seeing with a yellow color, and the second one I will draw with red color. The outer membrane is like a smooth lining, but the inner one has a folded structure, as you can see with the red color. This red structure is called Cristae. One second. Yeah. This red structure is called what we call Cristae. Cristae. This inner space inside the mitochondria. Yeah. One second. Yeah. This one space is called matrix. The matrix of mitochondria. Matrix contains enzymes that helps in energy production. This space is called matrix, the green one. Okay. Now the question comes, what is the work of mitochondria in the cell? And the answer is, mitochondria performs cellular respiration. Yeah, you heard it right. It means, one second. It means oxygen plus nutrients. You know nutrients, no? Nutrients. Nutrients is equals to ATP. Okay. Oxygen plus nutrients is equal to ATP. You can also say that oxygen plus food, because where we get nutrients from food, so oxygen plus food equals to energy. Oxygen plus food equals to energy. Mitochondria converts it into energy, and this energy helps in movement. Yeah, you heard it right. Movement, growth, and repair of the body. Repair of the body. There is one unique property of the mitochondria. The property is that from this red structure you can understand it has its own DNA. Yeah, you heard it right. It has its own DNA, very few cell organisms have this property. Mitochondria has its own DNA, means it can replicate by itself. This is very unique property of mitochondria. You should remember this. Now it's time to take a quick recap. The first point is mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. So we learn this. The second point is mitochondria produces ATP energy in the form of ATP. So we learn that. And mitochondria has double membranous structure. The outer one is smooth and the inner one has folding in it. So we learn this. See, the inner folds has foldings and that folding is called Cristae. So we learn this. And one special quality of mitochondria, that it has its own DNA, so it can replicate by itself. So we learn this. If this made biology easy for your brain, subscribe to NeoGen. Here we explain biology with very simplest way. So we will meet in the next concept. Till that, goodbye.